Subscribe the IELTS Guide channel and press the bell icon for the regular updates of IELTS video.
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to IELTS Guide channel. Today we are going to see IELTS writing task 1. What are the important words that can be useful for us in writing task 1? Whenever you are writing something regarding tables or charts or diagram, there are some words that will be helpful for us in writing task 1 when you are writing regarding a paragraph of a describing paragraph or a body paragraph A and B. In case of writing task 1, then there are some words that will be really helpful for us. So let's see what are the types of words in this case. In case of writing task 1, we are going to use. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first is starting descriptions. Okay, when you are describing something or writing something regarding a diagram or a chart or a table, okay, you have to use some words like the table shows or the table illustrates. Okay, so that are the words that you are going to use in the starting paragraph. So in the first type we are going to cover starting description. Okay, and we will see what are the words that will be useful for us in the starting description. Okay, then there is a making comparison. Okay, when you have to write something regarding similar between two sentences or between two lines or between two phenomena, then we have to use making comparison. Okay, in this there are lots of words like in contrast, if you have to write something regarding opposite nature, or similarly kind of a words which will show the positive nature. Okay, so there are lots of words we will see in this video. Then there is a language of change. Okay, in case of a language of change, when there is a rise or fall or constant nature of a line or a bar chart or whatever chart they have asked, then there are lots of words that we are going to use in language of change. Okay, means we can consider that there are some synonyms of rise, increase, and that kind of words we are going to see in this video. Similarly, in case of a fall or decrease, okay, there are lots of words we will see in this video. Then there is a accuracy of data. Okay, when there is a line chart or a bar chart and we are talking about a particular number, something like a weight or in the percentage, then sometimes we cannot completely identify that the line is at which point or at which number. So we have to use numbers, words like about 10 or about 15 kg or approximately 15 percentage. So that kind of words are covered in the accuracy of data. So let's see what are the words in this video. Okay, let's start with, first of all, let's see starting description. Okay, the words like illustrates, gives information, depicts, denotes, describe, represents, shows. Okay, and there are still many more. Okay, but I think that this much word, if you remember, it will be helpful for you. You can use a different kind of a word. Okay, like illustrates or depicts, denotes, describes. Generally in the question they have asked that the table shows or the chart shows. Okay, so you don't have to use a shows word again. You can use something like illustrates or gives information or depicts or denotes or describes or represents. Okay, so remember these words, and if you have any other words, then please do mention in the comments so that all other people can also know about it. Okay, and it will be really good help from if we make a good community and communicate with each other in the comment section. So it will be helpful for everyone. Okay, so please do comment if you have other words that can be used in the starting description. Okay, so don't forget to comment. Okay, let's move to the type 2, that is a making comparison. Okay, so these are the word. I think that it is enough if you remember. In contrast to, well below, above that of, similar pattern, higher, lower, most, and least. Okay, so if you have to make a comparison in somewhere, then you can use this kind of words. Okay, but still there are many words in this also. If you have any words, then please do comment, mention in the comments. It will be helpful for all of us. Let's move to the type 3, that is language of change, rise or increase. Okay, so there are some words like steady increase, gradual increase, sharp increase, slight increase, exponential growth, marked rise. Okay, these are the words that can be useful for showing some pattern of rising or increasing, or we have to show a growth in the line or a bar chart or whatever questions. Okay, so these are the words that will be helpful for us, but we have to be careful that we should know when there is a sharp rise or when there is a slight rise, when there is a exponential growth, or when we can write a marked rise. Okay, so some pictures or some images are helpful for us, and I will show you here, and I also link it in the description box below. Okay, so and do comment if you have some other words that will be helpful for us to show a rising pattern. Okay, let's move to the next, that is a language of change, but it is for the fall or a decrease. Okay, so we can say a steady decrease, gradual decrease, sharp decrease, slight decrease, marked fall or marked decrease. Okay, so these are the words similar to the rise. We can also use the word, so in case of a constant or fluctuating, we can use words like remain, fluctuated, remain constant, stood at, finished at, fluctuated, stopped, reached a peak. Okay, so these are the words that will be helpful for us in the language of change or constant or fluctuating change. Okay, so do comment also if there are other words in your mind that will be helpful for us. Okay, let's move to the fourth point, that is accuracy of data when a number is over. Okay, when a number is over or above something, then we can use this kind of word, because we don't know sometime what is exact point our line or our chart showing. So we can use above 12 or just over 12 or over 12, more than 12, slightly over 12, almost or nearly over 12, well over 12, considerably more than 12, marginally about 12. Okay, these are the words that will be helpful for us when we have to show when a number is over some number. Okay, so let's move to the accuracy of data when a number is under. Okay, then we can use words like under 14, below 14, just under 14, less than 14, slightly under 14, almost or nearly under 14, well under 14, close to 14, considerably less than 14. Okay, so these are the words that will be useful for us when we have to show a number which is under. Okay, so do comment if you have some other words that will be helpful for us. Then let's move to the accuracy of data when number is not clearly over or under. Right, when sometime we don't know it is over or under, then we have to use this kind of word. Actually these four words are useful many times, because many times we don't know it is over or it is under. So we can use about 15 or more or less 15. Okay, or around 15, approximately 15. Okay, so these are the words that will be helpful for us. If you have some other words, then please do comment, friends. Okay, so that it will be helpful for all of us. And I think that's it for today, friends. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Health Guide channel. And please do comment below some words that will be helpful for us in the writing task 1, so that it will helpful for all of us. So thank you, and I will see you in the next video soon. Till then, you take care, friends, and bye bye.